Hi, the next tool I want to talk to you about is the Connect Combine tool, which is a very, very useful tool. It's similar to Trim, but much more versatile. The Connect Combine tool is right next to the Trim tool. If you hover over it, you'll see it says Connect Combine. And the way that this tool works is we're going to select two objects or more that we would like to have connect. Right? So by selecting that, I see that I have several options in the toolbar, and the first one shows single object connect mode. What I want to do is I want to have this object, I clicked on it, and now I'm going to click on the second object that I would like it to connect to. And it's just that easy. If I would like this object to connect to this object, it's just that simple. Now, what about two objects that aren't, look like they may not even line up? How about that? Right? So if you'll notice, this line extended to this line, but it did not complete both lines. Right? So in the example that's sitting right here, I'd like to connect this line to this line. We need to change mode. And if we change the mode, this is dual object connect mode. It will connect and complete both lines to make that corner. It will extend them both, and then it'll make sure that there's no trim or excess for either line, and it'll make that angle. I can do the same thing here, and then let's select this line. Now, yeah. That's good. That's good. Okay. So what if we want to connect multiple objects? The first thing is, if I want to connect all of these lines, first, why don't I go ahead and connect this line to make a square, and now I want to extend all of these lines to this point. Now, certainly I could do the single point connect mode and do every single line, or there is a multiple mode. And if I select connect multiple, right, now the first line that I'm going to do, and you can see in the toolbar, it tells you what it wants you to do. Select the boundary object, then select the objects to extend. This will be my boundary, right? And you'll see that as I click it and move away from it, it stays highlighted in red. And now if I click these objects one at a time, they all extend perfectly to meet at this point. If I now just click away, yes. If I just click anywhere on the drawing, it removes that boundary. I can now change my mode. I can come back to Connect Combine, and I could trim those two to make that work out just perfect. So that's Connect Combine, a very, very useful tool, a lovely tool.